Okay, round number 2 in Chase's basement. Dad's wearing a GoPro this time. Ready, go! And face your maker. Fight like a man. Ah. Why do they always curve? Uh-oh, I'm almost out. Oh, direct hit. Oh no. Oh. He's come into enemy territory. Take him out. And it won't be to dinner. Uh-oh, are you jammed? Losing the... There we go. Oh! Oh! Direct hit! Oh! Oh my gosh! He's unloading fury. Oh, ow. Drop the clip. Oh, I walked right into that one. It's crazy. Oh, he hit me in the hand. Oh, a headshot. Uh-oh, clip. Oh, that was a drop ball there. Oh, do the dance. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Direct hit. Oh. Oh, he's so lucky. Oh, oh gosh. Oh no. Oh my. Oh, right in the back of the head. He's toast. Oh, oh, I'm hit. Oh. Oh. Oh, in the head. Oh, hit my gun. Oh no! Taking fire! Reload! clip. Oh, I gotta make it count. Oh, it's a Mexican standoff. Woo! Oh, I'm hitting the couch. Oh, he's so lucky. Oh, headshot. Oh. 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 Oh my goodness. Yeah. Uh-huh. Alright. I wish this thing had a scope. Oh. Ah. Oh, I'm out. I'm out. I don't know. I called a draw. I think I got hit quite a bit though. Alright. End of the video.